Baseball season. It's springtime. Right now, looks to be like 19 degrees out. After a mild winter, we got a beautiful spring. Snow's disappearing. Until 2 minutes ago, the door was open. Here we are, folks. Here we are. Had so much fun doing this last week. I'm doing another one. Oh man, lucky you. Got to get back in the habit of making things. Routine, regular routine. You know, might not matter for much, but it's a healthy thing to do. Routine's good. So what's going on? Big event was an ice storm. I will make a little montage of the ice storm. Biggest ice storm since 1998, which was like a 3-dayer. This time, April 5th, April 6th, 2023. I think we got like 38 millimeters of rain. Ice, rain, however it comes down. I'll add a little montage. Kind of neat. Weather's neat. Lots of stuff going on. One day Mother Nature's going to kill us all. She'll get tired of us. We'll get too big for our britches. She'll send a plague. She'll send a tornado, typhoon, earthquake. It's a reminder to enjoy your life while you can. What else we got going on? Easter. Family came down for Easter. Actually had a nice time. Kids are growing up, becoming more and more like little people. Kind of coming cute. That awkward 15-year-old teenage phase seems to be gone. Can play games with them, have discussions with them. That's nice. And what else is going on? Still heading off to the thrift shops. One thing I've been doing, I'll be honest with you. I'll let you in on this. I've been buying low, selling high. Rule number 1 of business. And actually flipping an incredible amount of stuff at the thrift stores. We'll go into that more in another video. Maybe I'll make a video of me buying stuff at thrift shops. What else is going on? That's it. That's it. The other thing about these videos, the other thing is a little more COVID. Everybody was doing things. There's lots of people living in this house. Everybody was doing things. Everybody was out of the house for long periods of time. I had quiet. I could plan on a time, a weekly regular schedule where the house was quiet and I could do things. It's not really like that anymore. Right now, just found out everybody's gone. Well, now's my opportunity to make something. So here it is. This is what you get with no planning. Hopefully COVID, well, COVID's gone, but hopefully people start getting into more out-of-the-house patterns again. I'm not, though. I'm not doing the stuff I was before. I think a lot of people aren't. Anyways, in other news, we got a hawk in the backyard. Just yesterday, saw a hawk chewing on a poor little rodent in our backyard. I'll insert some of that video here. Neat. We got the coolest backyard of all time, man. Should visit it sometime. All right, and on that note, I've wasted enough of your time. Take care. Happy Easter. Happy whatever comes next. Enjoy spring.